Hello everyone. This is Kolkata based numerologist, Vastuvid, and tarot card reader Dr. Pihali Roy Gupta. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all well. And today I have started a new program with all of you. The program is Happy Living Vastu Living. Through this Happy Living Vastu Living program, I am going to share with you many beautiful tips that can help you to bring positivity in your life and help you to eliminate negativity from your life. Vastu is an age old science. It's a science of architecture. Vastu tells us how we can bring more positivity by making the alignment with the place where we live or where we work. Vastu can be applicable both your living place or your working place. Each and everyone in this world wants to be happy, wants to be successful in their life and prosperous. But many feel stuck somewhere. They can bring positivity, they can bring financial prosperity in their life. Somehow, they don't know that how to overcome this problem. Financial prosperity is desirable to all of us. Money is very essential, and money is also energy. Through this Happy Living Vastu Living program, today I am going to share a simple technique or tip that can bring more financial prosperity to you, that can bring luck to you, that can bring more confidence to you. Do you want to know that what is the tip? It is a very simple tip. The tip is using elaichi or cardamom. Yes, we all know elaichi is very available, but do you know that how elaichi can bring luck to you? I am going to share two simple techniques with elaichi. The first technique, if you are thinking that you are not so lucky to earn a lot of money or financial success, you are struggling for financial success, do this simple remedy. What is this? Take 2-3 elaichis every Friday and keep it in your wallet. Keep it for 7 days. After 7 days, you just replace those elaichis with some new elaichi. You have to do this practice every Friday. Friday is actually the day of goddess Lakshmi. That's why you have to do the remedy on this special day. Make sure you have to do this remedy, you have to continue this remedy for a certain period of time just to get the result. It is not for one day. You have to do it regularly on each and every Friday. Again, I once again repeat it. What you have to do, take 2-3 elaichis, keep it in your wallet every Friday and replace this next Friday. While you replacing this, just the previous elaichis you throw away to a certain place where nobody can see. Just make sure that where you are throwing these elaichis, nobody can see you while you are throwing these elaichis. This simple remedy can bring more financial prosperity to yourself. My second remedy, you can say, again using elaichi, what you have to do, take a bowl of water and then uh, just put 1 or 2 elaichis on that water, boil it for some time. When your water becomes half, then those boiled water with the elaichi, you mix it up with your bathing water. You just mix the water with a tub and then you bathe with that water. While bathing, you are actually giving yourself more refreshment, and basically you have to do this every Friday. Why Friday you have to do? Friday is a day of goddess Lakshmi. Friday is also linked with the planet Venus, and elaichi or cardamom actually helps to give power to the Venus. So if regularly every Friday you bathe with this elaichi water, you feel another type of refreshment. You feel that you get more positivity. And even if it is not possible to bathe every Friday with elaichi water, especially if any Friday if you go to any meeting or any special event happens on Friday, definitely you should do it before attending your meeting or before attending to that special event. Just you take a shower with elaichi water. It will definitely bring more positivity into your life. And those who have 6 in their date of birth, they can also do it, because 6 is a number. That number is connected to planet Venus, and elaichi gives power to the Venus. And those who have 6, those who don't have 6 in their numerology chart, or those who have Venus weak in their chart, maybe numerology, maybe astrology, if Venus weak in your chart, you can give power to your weak Venus by doing this simple tip. Take every Friday with elaichi water shower, and that will definitely give power to your Venus. And if you can give power to your Venus, you can get a luxurious life, because Venus gives us luxury, Venus gives us prosperity. So if you want to bring luck, prosperity, luxury in your life, just you do these simple 2 remedies with elaichi. Do it every Friday. But remember, don't do it just 1 day or 2 days. Do it regularly. With the regular practice of these simple 2 remedies, gradually you can feel more positivity in your life. So I hope these 2 remedies help you a lot to understand how you can bring positivity. In my next video, I am going to share with you many more this type of small remedies that can help you to bring positivity. If you really like this tip, please subscribe my channel. If you subscribe this channel, you can get more videos in the coming days. And if you subscribe, please share it also with others, because if you share the knowledge, your knowledge will increase. And don't forget to press the bell icon. If you press the bell icon, then you can very easily get the notifications of my next videos. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me. My contact number is 9903223629. I repeat once again, my contact number is 9903223629. You can give me a call, you can WhatsApp me just to know more tips, more suggestions related to Vastu, numerology, tarot card reading, and etc. So today, this much. Again, I'll come soon with my next video on this Happy Living, Vastu Living program. Take care. Bye-bye.